वेलकम बैक टू माय स्टार किड्स। तो दोस्तों आज आपके सामने ये बच्चे आपको देयर से सेंटेंस बना के बताएंगे। अगर हमें बोलना हो कि आसमान में तारे हैं, समुद्र में मछलियाँ हैं, मंदिर में भगवान है, ऐसे सेंटेंस बनाने के लिए हम देयर का यूज़ करते हैं। या फिर हम ये कह सकते हैं कि जब किसी चीज़ के अंदर कोई चीज़ होती है तब हम देयर का यूज़ करते हैं। इसे सब्जेक्ट मानकर हम सेंटेंस बनाते हैं। जैसे अगर हमें प्रेजेंट में बनाना हो तो हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज मार का यूज़ करेंगे, अगर पास्ट में बनाना हो तो हेल्पिंग वर्ब वाज वर का यूज़ करेंगे, और अगर फ्यूचर में बनाना हो तो हेल्पिंग वर्ब विल बी का यूज़ करते हैं। चलिए,
Welcome back to my Star Kids. Today we are making sentence with there. Please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.
Yes. में आया तो please anyone ask me question. There are marriage in the India. There are not marriage in the India. Are there marriage in the India? Aren't there marriage in the India? In past, there were marriage in the India. There were not marriage in the India. Were there marriage in the India? Weren't there marriage in the India? In future, there will be marriage in the India. There will not be marriage in the India. Will be there marriage in the India? Will not be marriage in the India. Thank you.
Yes, Yadav, today's topic is there. Please ask me question. There is cartoon in the TV. There isn't cartoon in the TV. Is there cartoon in the TV? Isn't there cartoon in the TV? In past, टीवी में कार्टून थे. There was cartoon in the TV. There wasn't cartoon in the TV. Was there cartoon in the TV? Wasn't there cartoon in the TV? In future, टीवी में कार्टून होंगे. There will be cartoon in the TV. There will not be cartoon in the TV. Will there be cartoon in the TV? Will not be there cartoon in the TV.
My today's topic is there. Please anyone ask me question.
आसमान में तारे हैं.
My question is आसमान में तारे हैं. There are stars in the sky. There aren't stars in the sky. Are there stars in the sky? Aren't there stars in the sky? आसमान में तारे थे. There were stars in the sky. There weren't stars in the sky. Were there stars in the sky? Weren't there stars in the sky? आसमान में तारे होंगे. आसमान में तारे होंगे. There will be stars in the sky. Will there be stars in the sky? Won't there be stars in the sky? Gupta, please anyone ask me question.
शोरूम में मोटरसाइकिल है.
There is bike in the showroom. There is not bike in the showroom. Is there bike in the showroom? Is not there bike in the showroom? In past, showroom में बाइक थी. There was bike in the showroom. There was not bike in the showroom. Was there bike in the showroom? Was not there bike in the showroom? In future, showroom में बाइक होगी. There will be bike in the showroom. There will not be bike in the showroom. Will there be bike in the showroom? Will not there be bike in the showroom? Welcome back to my Star Kids. My today's topic is there. Please anyone ask me question.
घड़े में पानी है.
My question is घड़े में पानी है. There is water in the pitcher. There isn't water in the pitcher. Is there water in the pitcher? Isn't there water in the pitcher? Past, घड़े में पानी था. There were water in the pitcher. There weren't water in the pitcher. Were there water in the pitcher? Weren't there water in the pitcher? In future, घड़े में पानी होगा. There will be water in the pitcher. There will not be water in the pitcher. Will there be water in the pitcher? Won't there be water in the pitcher? Thank you.
Welcome back to my Star Kids. My name is Sujal Karma. My today's topic is there. In present, in past and future. Please ask me question. मेरी स्कूल में बच्चे हैं. My question is मेरी स्कूल में बच्चे. There are children in my school. There are not children. There are children in my school. There are not children in my school. Are there children in my school? Aren't there children in my school? In past, there were children in my school. There were not children in my school. Were there children in my school? Weren't there children in my school? In future, there will be children in my school. There will not be children in my school. Will there children in my school? Won't there be children in my school? Thank you.
My name is Ashka. Though please anyone asking me question.
नदी में मछली है. there is a fish in the river. There isn't a fish in the river. Is there fish in the river? Isn't a fish in the river. In past, नदी में मछली थी. There was a fish in the river. There wasn't a fish in the river. Was there fish in the river? Wasn't there fish in the river. In future, नदी में मछली होगी. There will be fish in the river. There won't be fish in the river. Will there be fish in the river? Won't there be fish in the river. Please ask me question. There is pigeon in the well. There is not pigeon in the well. Is there pigeon in the well? Is there not pigeon in the well? In past, there was pigeon in the well. There was not pigeon in the well. Was there pigeon in the well? Was there not pigeon in the well? In future, there will be pigeon in the well. There will not pigeon in the well. Be pigeon in the well. Will there be pigeon in the well? Will there be not pigeon in the well?
Please ask them question. There is a vegetable in the market. There is not vegetable in the market. Is there a vegetable in the market? Is there not vegetable in the market? In past, बाजार में सब्जियां थी. There was a vegetable in the market. There wasn't no vegetable in the market. Was there a vegetable in the market? Wasn't there vegetable in the market. Past, future, बाजार में सब्जियां होगी. There will be vegetable in the market. There will be not vegetable in the market. Will there vegetable in the market? Will not vegetable in the market.